Alright guys, we're up here at the pig barn and we are going to go back in the woods and put up a camera. Hopefully we can get back here and not get too many ticks on us. So the grass is kind of high. But we're going to go back here too because I got a two-person tree stand back here. I got to check some things on it and maybe put this camera up and get some corn down. So let's head on back here. Oh, jeez. About went down for the count, boy. Oh, wow.
Where was that at?
It's right there somewhere.
Oh, that's nice. Just a bunch of prickers.
Nice hayfield back here now, boy. I think Travis's stands up here.
Nice.
I don't see him.
What is happening back in here?
Clear up.
Ah, there's prickers everywhere.
You got it. Oh, deer trail up in here.
It's actually pretty peaceful back here.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to walk in really rough terrain now. I think it goes up this way. See any tracks?
Yeah, there's a few down in here. We'll get this set up and then we'll look. Hold that. Okay, there's our stand. Two-person up there.
Is this still stable?
Canopy's shading this back here pretty good now. Sorry about my breathing. I just walked like a quarter mile with 50 pounds on my shoulder. Alright, I'm out of shape. So we come from back there. You can see the daylight, that's the field. These woods go a long ways back that way. So we're probably maybe a quarter in. So it's almost, I want to say it's 4,000 feet, almost 5,000 feet deep the property is. So, like I said, we're only a quarter way in. And then, you know, the way I got this marked, I don't know if you guys can see them, but there's a pink ribbon, and I got them marked all the way down through there. But I need to put reflectors. I need to put reflectors on, and that way I can see it when I come in here in the early morning when there's no light. So what we're going to do is I think I might put my camera, I don't know, maybe right here on this tree. You know, the stand's up there.
Should we move this branch?
So I'll go ahead and put it right here, and then I'll dump the corn over there. All right?
I was like the big branch. I thought
What
you were going
branch?
to put it like over there.
That's okay with this branch here. I mean, we have a clear shooting path here if we decide to hunt this property. But I just want to see what's back here. I'm going to feed off of it a little bit. I know it's a little late, but hey, better late than never, right? So we'll go ahead and get this camera up, and then we'll get the feed spread out. Okay.
Is that facing straight towards it? I think it is. Holy moly.
Let's go up in the stand and see what kind of views we have. Okay, so we're up in the stand now. I'm just always out of breath. What the heck? I need to get back on the treadmill. Anyways, we're sitting here. There's Bubba. What do you think?
Scary.
Scary?
It's high.
Well, you don't want the deer to see you.
Yeah, but it's high up here. My butt cheeks started shaking.
Your butt cheeks are shaking. Nice.
I feel like I'm just gonna fall.
There's the corn down there.
That
So that's
that
a pretty
tree.
good shot.
That
Yeah,
tree.
we might. That's a dead tree anyhow. Might have to get that out of the way.
I didn't.
So I know when we come out here, if we come in the evening, definitely have to get some mosquito spray. What do you think?
I keep getting bit.
Of course, I'm sweating like a pig too, so that probably doesn't help. Let's just sit in here for a little bit, see if we got anything come across us.
Yeah.
Well, we sat in here for about a half hour. We're just playing around. Nothing. A couple squirrels, you know. But we're going to go ahead and get down because the mosquitoes are tearing us apart. So I'll stop by my buddy's son's stand that he's got setting up there. We'll check it out. But, go ahead and get down now. There's his stand. I don't know where his thought he had a feeder out here. Maybe I'm wrong. Pepper bush. Ouch. I don't see any cameras either. I thought he said he put some cameras out.
Probably put.
That is a humongous tree. It's probably 60, 64 inches around at the base, maybe more. Might even be in the 70s. I should have put that in that contest with Ridge Life. You know, who's got the biggest wood or whatever it was. I think that probably would have won. Alright guys, we're going to head up to the barn here and get on home and then check ourselves for some ticks. But I hope you enjoyed the video. We're probably going to come back out here in 4 or 5 days, whatever, and get that card out of that camera, see if we have any activity. Last time we were out here, there was a few button bucks and maybe an 8-pointer roaming around, quite a few doe, and a lot of fat raccoons, weren't they? They were huge, weren't they?
Can we shoot raccoons?
No, you don't want to shoot them. They ain't doing nothing.
Yeah, but
Unless
still.
they're killing our chickens. That's the only way that'll happen.
Like just.
Alright guys, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.